Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your session briefing of chapter number 4. What we had done in today's session, we are just going to recall about what we had learned in our today's session. Okay, so I would request everyone, please open up your book, page number 37, chapter number 4. I'm also opening my book. So I would write down the name of the chapter, that is chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Edubuntu. Introduction to Edubuntu. First, I would like to brief you out regarding the name of the chapter. We would learn about the first thing what we had talked is that for a computer system to work, we require both the components. One is your hardware and the another is software. For a computer system to work properly, we require both the components. One is hardware and the second is software. As we know, hardware are the devices which we can touch or which we can feel. Devices which we can touch and feel are your hardwares. In the morning session itself, we had discussed about some of the examples of hardware like mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer. These devices we can touch, we can feel them, they are your hardware. Whereas software, these are the programs which tells the computer how to perform a work. Computer, how to work. So the first thing that we all learned is for a computer system, we require both hardware as well as the software. Regarding the hardware, we had learned in our previous chapters where we had discussed about the parts of computer system. In that, we had discussed about the input devices, that is the keyboard and mouse. We had discussed about the IPO cycle also, in which we had learned that the computer work on the basis of IPO cycle. So all these things we had learned regarding hardware in our previous chapter. In this chapter, that is Introduction to Edubuntu, first of all we are going to learn about what we mean by Edubuntu. I'll just opening my book. Okay. So as we have told you that software are the programs which are being used or which are being required to tell the computer how to perform a task. किसी भी वर्क, किसी भी टास्क को करने के लिए कंप्यूटर को बताना होता है कि वो कैसे करे. Okay, so computer has to make it understand how to perform that work that is done by using software. There are certain types of software. System software as well as the application software. System software, as the name suggests itself, that these are the softwares which controls the system. So among the system software itself, that is the type of software, हमारा system software is a type of software, and in that system software itself we have operating systems. ये नाम अच्छे से याद रखिएगा, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Operating system, these are the programs, these are the softwares which controls all the process of the computer. कंप्यूटर के सारे वर्क, सारे प्रोसेसेस को कंट्रोल करते हैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. These are the types of software. ये सॉफ्टवेयर के एक टाइप्स होते हैं. These are the most important software. Operating system, आपके कंप्यूटर का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर होता है. विदाउट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम योर कंप्यूटर विल नॉट वर्क. आपका कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के बिना वर्क नहीं करता है. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ बेसिकली the software, the operating system which normally people use, or the most popular operating system is your Windows, that's available in my computer also. Windows, it is one of the most popular widely used operating system. As in the class itself I have told you that Windows is a paid version. We have to pay money to buy the operating system. Other than Windows, the another operating system which commonly people use is based on Linux, and its name is Ubuntu. Okay, now Ubuntu is what? Because it is a name of our chapter also, Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is what? First of all, Ubuntu is an operating system. It is a software which controls the complete processing of the computer. So Ubuntu is an operating system. Second, Ubuntu is available free over internet. इंटरनेट पे Ubuntu और Ubuntu आपका फ्री में अवेलेबल है. So in this chapter what we are going to do, we are going to begin with using Ubuntu. आपको Ubuntu ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, Linux based Ubuntu ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आपको यूज करना, how to use it, how you can access, how you can start different programs, how you can select them. All these things can be done and can be learned. So hence we are going to start with what we mean by Ubuntu. The first topic that we will be starting with, okay, whenever we'll start a computer, जब भी हम computer start करते हैं, when we start a computer, it takes several minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes to get start properly, to make the screen visible in front of you in which you can work. आपको कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करने के बाद 1 से 2 मिनट लगता है जब तक कंप्यूटर पूरा रेडी होके आपके सामने प्रिपेयर होके आता है. सो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, एज सून एज यू हैव स्विच्ड ऑन द कंप्यूटर, जैसे ही आपने कंप्यूटर को स्विच ऑन किया है, द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नेम सॉफ्टवेयर ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स अलोंग विद दैट. आपने जैसे ही कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट किया, ऑपरेटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर भी स्टार्ट हो गया, विच स्टार्ट्स controlling the computer, starts checking all the devices. It also checks the memory, it also checks that it can work properly. All these things are checked and then the computer is ready for working. So once you have started the computer, आप कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं, कंप्यूटर 1 to 2 minutes का booting, the time which it takes to prepare itself is booting. So after booting properly, the computer, the screen which available or which shown in front of you, that screen is known as desktop. आपके कंप्यूटर properly start होने के बाद में, once it has, the operating system has checked it properly, the screen which available or comes in front of you, जो screen आपके सिस्टम के सामने और स्क्रीन पर आता है, the first screen जो आपके बूटिंग के बाद में या स्टार्ट करने के बाद में अपीयर करता है, दैट फर्स्ट स्क्रीन इज नोन एज डेस्कटॉप. उसे हम डेस्कटॉप कहते हैं. ऑन दैट डेस्कटॉप यू विल फाउंड different icons which are small pictures. You can see different programs or application softwares. We can see different indicators, minimize, maximize buttons, etc. We can find the search box. Okay, these all are the components जो आपको डेस्कटॉप पे नजर आएंगे. I'll just show you in the practical part. After that we will have the reading session also. Okay, I hope that we have learned up to desktop. The after part will be shared to you in the second day. Thank you.